Do you still spend days trekking through the forest just to create 3D reports for every single tree? With the LiDAR H800 airborne LiDAR scanner and the LiGrip O2 handheld LiDAR scanner, powered by LiDAR 360 software, you can get accurate analysis of 40,000 square meters of forest in just 1 hour. First, process LiGrip O2 data to quickly separate ground from vegetation, keeping every tree trunk clear. Then bring in the airborne data, perfectly merged and easy to switch the view, with intelligent classification that preserves the finest trunk structures. Want to look at trees one by one? LiDAR 360 automatically separates them for you. Explore tree height or crown spread and other attributes with different rendering modes. Generate tree reports with all the key data: location, DBH, height, crown size, and even simulate thinning with just one click. The software helps you make smarter, data-driven decisions. And with one more click, you can build a full 3D forest model, save it permanently, view it anytime, and measure however you like. Airborne plus handheld scanning, together with LiDAR 360, is the ultimate solution for precision forestry.